Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-30669 error in Oracle Database 12c. So I have logged into the SQL Plus editor as a common user called c#card. Make sure that you have enough permission to execute all the SQL queries. Okay. So now I am going to create one table called identity test table. Okay, so identity test tab 1, the table name. So it contains id 2. Okay, so what is the error here? ORA-30669 table can have only one identity column. So here you can see two identity columns are there. Okay, two identity columns are there, which is not allowed. Okay, so only one identity column is allowed per table. So now you can see that table is created successfully. So this is the fix for ORA-30669 error.